Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel Ali Bro Shopping, the place where we explore the latest and coolest tech gadgets. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Z908 greater than 10 obstacle avoidance security escort drone with 50x zoom. This drone is packed with features that will take your aerial photography to the next level. Stick around, and let's dive into what makes the Z908 greater than 10 stand out. First up, the standout feature of the Z908 greater than 10 is its incredible 50x zoom capability. Using a new generation of lens zoom technology, controlled effortlessly through the remote, you can capture distant scenes with unparalleled clarity. No need to worry about high-altitude vision. This drone allows you to see farther and clearer than ever before. Seeing is truly believing. Now, let's talk about ease of flight. Say goodbye to the complexities of takeoff with the optical flow fixed-point hover feature. The Z908 greater than 10 ensures a stable suspension in real time during flight. No more adjusting the throttle to maintain height. This smart hover technology makes it easy for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Taking control of your drone's path has never been easier. With the track-fingered flight feature, simply draw the trajectory you desire on the app, and watch the Z908 greater than 10 automatically follow your customized route. It's a whole new level of engagement, putting you in charge of your aerial photography experience. Safety is paramount, and the Z908 greater than 10 has you covered. Equipped with a multi-directional obstacle avoidance system, OAS, it ensures a worry-free flight experience. With a 60 cm perception range and LED fill light, the drone can detect obstacles from all directions, making your flight simpler and safer. Now, let's add a bit of flair to your flights. Impress your audience with a one-click 360-degree stunt show. The Z908 greater than 10 allows for easy and cool aerial maneuvers, adding a touch of excitement to your photography sessions. Extended flying fun is a guarantee with the Z908 greater than 10. Thanks to its high-quality polymer battery, this drone supports an impressive 46 minutes of flight time. Say goodbye to constant interruptions and enjoy a longer, more immersive flying experience. Interaction with your drone reaches a new level with gesture photos/video capabilities. Using advanced object recognition technology, the Z908 greater than 10 responds to your gestures for a seamless photo or video capture experience. It's convenient, it's fun, and it adds a personal touch to your aerial photography. Connectivity is key, and with the Z908 greater than 10, you get full control in your hands. Utilize the Wi-Fi connectivity for high-definition image transmission, offering a more friendly viewing experience and complete control of the drone. Take full advantage of the powerful photography technology and intelligent adjustments for beautiful photos on the go. And last but not least, the Z908 greater than 10 combines functionality with portability through its classic three-dimensional folding design. Even after thousands of folds, the drone maintains stability, making it easy to carry and handle with just one hand. So there you have it, the Z908 greater than 10, not just a drone but a technological marvel that empowers you to capture the world from new perspectives. Elevate your aerial photography game with this obstacle avoidance security escort, offering features that are both innovative and practical. Explore the skies with confidence and creativity as the Z908-10 takes your drone experience to new heights. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy flying, and we'll catch you in the next one.